this is Mark Wable with Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV. Today we're going to take a look at our brand new Newmar New Aire 3541. We're going to do a quick little tour around the outside, and then we'll take you on the inside. We've got all the bays opened up. The New Aire is Newmar's luxury shorter coach, 35 feet. It's got a 450 horsepower engine. You can see that we've got the hammock package on this, along with the cooler, outside entertainment. These units are really nice because they've got tons of power in a smaller platform, 35 feet. This one, as you can see, is on the Spartan K2 chassis. Side radiator, def tank, extremely clean wet bay. You got the macerator, Oasis Chinook, inverters, bank of batteries, just everything you expect in a luxury Newmar coach, but in a much smaller platform. So now we're going to move on to the inside of this 3541 brand new New Aire. Katie's going to go through our front up here, our cockpit. This one, again, like we said outside, it was on a Spartan chassis. This unit has the 360 cameras along with the monitor on the passenger side. Extra large passenger seat. These seats are extremely comfortable, are able to be flipped around and basically turn into 2 additional recliners. And as we move back into the cabin, we have the Dover Rift Oak hardwood suede. And then this year they've put up a valance with a nice little leather covering here. Just gives it a nice clean look. We have the booth dinette across from a fold-out couch, large sofa, as we move back, we have a Fisher-Paykel dishwasher. We have Samsung appliances in this coach, the induction cooktop, true induction cooktop that can be taken out. You have a large bowl sink. And the great thing about this 3541 floor plan is, compared to all the other ones, we got a mid-bath, but that allows you to have huge amounts of pantry storage that you usually don't find in a 35-foot coach. Extremely nice if you like to do cooking in the kitchen. Additional little storage there. And then this Samsung fridge is really nice. French doors with the freezer below. Ice maker. Now with the mid-entry, you can actually wall off and close the bathroom. You've got a nice large shower across from your bath. King bed in the back. Nice large Samsung TV back here, cabinets, stack, Splendid washer and dryer. And then your large rear closet, you've got additional folding chairs and a safe. You know, another great thing about the New Aire to make it feel bigger is they put the cathedral ceiling in this rear bedroom. Gives it a big open feel. And again, you know, you've got 2 sets of sliding doors, so if you have guests and you're back here and you want to close yourself off or put some grandkids back here to sleep quietly, you can close all that off but still have access to all your restrooms. The 3541 is by far my favorite floor plan in the New Aire line, just because I feel like with that mid bath, it just gives you more openness back here in the kitchen. Again, the additional storage, but you just have a wider living area. Not that the other ones are bad by any stretch of the imagination, but you just have such an open area up here for living in a 35-foot coach with the 450 horsepower engine. Absolutely tons of power, great driving coach on the Spartan chassis. So we've got the 2 ottomans along with the couch. Very well appointed, a very homely feeling coach, very warm coach. So if you have any additional questions, if you'd like to go over a personal FaceTime, a walkthrough, please just let me know how I can help you out. Again, my name is Mark, M-A-R-C. My phone number is 816-446-9799. We've got a ton of great inventory in stock right now, a bunch of Dutch Stars and New Aires, several King Airs. So if there's anything out there that we can help you with right now, please let us know. And I hope you have a wonderful day.